Right now, the easiest group to target online is the Indian community. If you go to x.com or perhaps even Instagram, you will find countless videos, countless posts that specifically target Indians. They stereotype Indians, and to a large extent, they have started fueling hatred against Indians. And let me tell you this, it's not just about Indians living in India. Some people think that, oh, they are just targeting India. No, it's about Indians everywhere. Whether you are an Indian born in UK, US, all Indians are facing racism right now. Vivek Ramaswamy recently faced so much racism on x.com that he decided to delete social media apps to avoid racist hate. And just imagine this guy was a huge supporter of Donald Trump, probably still is. But even after that, many racist Americans kept targeting him simply because of his faith and the color of his skin. And if you are wondering why is this racial hate spreading like wildfire, well, the reasons are very simple. Number one, Elon Musk's x.com doesn't really care much about racism. The platform encourages engagement. It pays you if you get views. It doesn't really matter if those views come through racial hatred or targeting Indians, and that is the biggest problem. Right now, racist people in the West are literally getting paid to target India. Targeting Indians has become a very profitable economy for them. We must stand up against them, united as Indians. A huge issue. Had it been any other ethnic community, the government and the people would have called out this racism and action would have been taken. But in India, the government has not done anything against it, and the problem is even the people are divided. The moment someone says Indians are being targeted, someone within the Indian community will say, oh, but what about us? Some group was being targeted there. What about that? Again, that needs to be sorted out as well. Indians need to remove racism within India as well, especially what's happening with the northeastern people. But that does not mean that we simply suffer what is happening to us online right now. I've specifically made this short in the English language so that it reaches a larger audience. I implore all of you, let's raise voice against this hatred. It needs to stop. The government needs to take action, and Indians need to be united against this.